This is a 2022 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. This is a custom color Harley Davidson Limited from the factory. It's called Gunship Gray with a black finish. Basically what the black finish means is that the chrome parts have been turned black, which with this gunship gray color is a great contrast. This is a super low mileage 2022. It has 1,415 original miles on the odometer. It does have a fresh service on it. This bike is ready for the highway, ready for your next road trip. Being the limited model, it has the 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. This one is set up with a stage 1 performance package. So it has plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque to get you and your passenger and all your gear down the road, over the hills, power to pull out and pass, and do it in great style. This is just an incredible color. Of course, being a limited model, it has the painted inner fairing, cruise control, ABS brakes, traction control, heated grips, nice big 6-gallon tank, so you have a lot of range with this bike. Comes with the GTS boom stereo system, which has GPS navigation. You can Bluetooth your device for your music into the system and control it with the touchscreen or the hand controls. Or in this compartment right here, you can put your device and plug it in, and it will charge it at the same time. With Harley Davidson headsets, you can do person-to-person intercom, take your phone calls, GPS navigation directions. What a great contrast, huh? The black with the gunship gray. Chrome is nice, but on this bike, the black really sets it off. Nice black custom wheels, ABS brakes. The front end is black. The housings for the lights are all black. Nice big comfortable seat for you and your passenger. You can go all day long on a road trip and get off and not be stove up with these big comfortable seats. This bike is in excellent condition. It looks like it's brand new. Nice big TourPak. You can stow a lot of gear on this bike and have the power to pull it all down the road. If you're in the market for a new touring bike, take a really good look at this 2022 Ultra Limited. Fantastic color, a gunship gray and black finish, super low miles, 1,415 original miles, stage 1 package. You can save yourself several $1,000s off a brand new one. Don't get stuck paying MSRP plus. Don't get stuck paying the setup and the freight charges, all the dock fees. Give Will a call at Dream Cycles USA. Get an out-the-door price. We don't charge all the mystery fees. And save yourself a ton of money and get a great looking bike. We can be reached at 417-343-3696. We can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.